Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use the browser as well as the app gallery on Huawei Matepad Paper. So first let's try to download something from app gallery. Here we have some of the apps. Let's click on install. So if we try to resume the download, it's in a 0 forever and keeps stopping this installation. Now moving on to the browser. If we try to open any website, pardon me, let's go for YouTube. There's also this error, and to fix both of these issues we'll need to go back to our settings. Here we have this gear icon, click on it. Now navigate down to the system and updates, enter date and time, and here enable automatic date and time. Now the issues should be fixed. We're gonna check if this actually helped. We can resume the download, and now it's actually installing. Go back to the browser. And here's YouTube. It also works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.